4736251.
Not it! No, Jeremy, you can't eat that!
Brought you into this world and I can take you out of it.
Did you just threaten to kill me over some dishes?
4 o'clock in the morning. Why on earth are you making chocolate pudding?
Because I've lost control of my life.
Not one of you guys pay bills in this house.
I am 9 years old. How the hell am I gonna pay bills?
You're eating again?
You're breathing again? See how dumb that's...